Something happened to me today, and it won't leave me alone. I lost an argument. Not with another person. With myself. Now I can't stop wondering if they're both my thoughts. Why do they argue like strangers? I'm glad you came tonight. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome home. This is Vibe Mode Reset, a modern alternative to traditional meditation. And tonight, we're not trying to find the answer. We're simply trying to ask a better question. So, let me ask you something. Can you remember a time when you were absolutely certain you were going to do something until you started thinking about it? Maybe it was making a phone call, speaking up in a meeting, starting something new. Nothing around you changed. The opportunity was still there. The only thing that changed was the conversation inside your own head. And somehow that conversation changed the outcome. But here's the part I still can't explain. Because if you really think about it, it's a strange thing. One part of you is trying to move your life forward. The other is trying to protect you. Neither voice thinks it's wrong. They're both trying to help. They just disagree about what safe looks like. And maybe that's why the argument feels so convincing. Because both sides sound like they're on your side. I'm curious. Has that ever happened to you? If it has, I'd honestly love to hear about it. Because I have a feeling I'm not the only one who's had that conversation. Which brings me back to the question. Maybe we've been looking at the argument all wrong. What if the conversation inside your head was never meant to be won? What if it exists because one part of you is trying to protect who you've been, while another part is quietly inviting you to become someone new? Maybe that's why change feels so uncomfortable. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because two versions of your future are both asking to be heard. Maybe the goal was never to make one voice disappear, because think about it. The voice telling you to be careful has probably protected you more times than you'll ever know. The problem is, we quietly let one of them have the final word. And those are two very different things. Think about all the decisions you've made that changed your life. The job you accepted, the relationship you started, the city you moved to, the chance you finally took. I wonder how many of those moments began with an argument inside your own head. Maybe courage has never been the absence of doubt. Maybe courage is simply deciding which voice deserves the microphone. And then I realized something. The voice that always speaks first doesn't always deserve to speak last. Sometimes fear arrives first because it's fast. Possibility usually speaks a little quieter. It asks you to slow down, to trust yourself, to believe that who you're becoming deserves just as much of a voice as who you've always been. Maybe that's the real reset. Not changing your thoughts overnight, just becoming a little more intentional about which ones you choose to believe. Maybe tomorrow, that conversation will happen again. Maybe one voice will tell you to play it safe. The other will quietly remind you there's still more life waiting to be lived. When that moment comes, don't ask yourself, which voice is louder? Ask yourself, which voice is leading me toward the person I want to become? Sometimes, the strongest voice isn't the one that deserves the final word. Sometimes, the wisest thing we can do is simply choose who gets the microphone. Is there a thought you've been hearing for years that you're not sure you believe anymore? I'd really like to know. I read the comments and some of the best conversations start after these 5 minutes are over. If tonight's conversation found you, come back whenever life starts getting a little too loud. That's what Vibe Mode Reset is here for. 5 quiet minutes, one new perspective, and maybe a different conversation with yourself. I'll leave you with one question. Which voice inside you has been speaking the longest? And does it still deserve the microphone?